According to Electric, tensions are rising between Tesla CEO Elon Musk and California Governor Gavin Newsom over electric vehicle incentives. Newsom proposed a state-level EV credit to replace the federal one, which could be repealed under a Trump-led administration in 2025. However, the proposal includes a market share cap that might exclude Tesla, which dominates the EV market. Musk criticized the plan, calling it insane, claiming it could harm California jobs. Tesla employs thousands at its Fremont factory and other facilities in the state. Musk also supports removing the federal EV tax credit, arguing it would hurt short-term sales but benefit Tesla long-term by exposing competitors with weaker cost structures. Newsom's proposal aims to support smaller EV makers and diversify the market. Critics argue excluding Tesla could slow EV adoption in the U.S., which already lags globally. The debate highlights tensions between fostering competition and maintaining Tesla's significant role in the EV industry. You are listening to Yuan News.